In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what to do when your roofer is ghosting you on picking up that final payment after finishing your big roofing project. So, here's the deal. You just dropped a serious chunk of change, like 30 grand, for a brand new roof and gutters, and now you're stuck with a $3,000 final payment that your roofer won't come grab. First off, don't freak out. This is way more common than you think. Roofers often get laser focused on the physical work, but totally slack on the business side, like collecting payments or finishing paperwork. The person who should be chasing you down for that money is probably off chasing the next job or caught up in other projects. Your best bet is to keep nudging them every 5 to 7 days with polite texts or calls. No need to be aggressive, just consistent. Also, try to keep everything in writing so you have a record of your attempts to reach them. If they're good guys with no BBB complaints and a solid rep, chances are they'll come by eventually, just on their own timeline. Meanwhile, don't let frustration get the best of you. Patience mixed with persistence usually wins this game. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make in this kind of situation is assuming silence means trouble or that the roofer is trying to skip out on their responsibility. It's usually not the case. Another common issue is stopping communication too soon. If you only reach out once or twice and then give up, they might think you're done or okay with holding back payment longer. Finally, some folks forget to keep detailed records of all their messages and conversations, which can hurt if you need to escalate things later. The simple fix? Keep reaching out regularly, stay polite but firm, and keep track of every interaction. That way, if you ever need to involve a third party, you've got all your ducks in a row. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for stuff like this because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who have solid reputations, making it easier to avoid these headaches from the jump. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find legit work without all the back and forth drama. Everyone wins when the right people connect right away.